In the world of heat printing, you can decorate just about anything. But if your heat press doesn't have the ability for interchangeable platens, here's 4 accessories you need to use now so you can increase your product offering. So the first accessory we're going to talk about are printing pillows. Now, if you are not familiar with these are foam pads that are inside of Teflon. So Teflon is all wrapped around the outside, makes it very, very slippery and easy to slide into garments and accessories, but it's also excellent to be able to wipe clean. Now, the beautiful thing about these is they are super affordable and they can make your life extremely easy when it comes to decorating really small items like a onesie or a jacket that has a lot of compartments on it. All right, up next in the list of accessories is a heat press pad. Now, this is a thick, dense silicone pad. You do have the ability to trim this, that way it can fit into certain shapes, smaller pockets, but what it's going to do is actually elevate your print area and any obstructions are going to fall off and below the top of the pad. Now, this is great, again, for backpacks, left chests. If you're afraid any buttons or zippers are going to melt, have them drop below versus going into the pillow. So what's really the difference between the pillow and the pad? Well, if you have your pillow, then your embellishments or seams, edges, hems are actually going to go into the pillow, where they're going to go outside of the pad. This would be a nice smooth surface, and then everything would fall into the pillow like the zippers on the onesie. All right, so we've reviewed both the 11 by 15 and the 6 by 10 pillow, and then we just talked about the 5 by 6 heat press pad. Now, this is called a flexible application pad, and it is actually something that you make your cover sheet. Now, this would replace, say, your craft paper or Teflon that you were using, but it's perfect for sensitive garments. Now, sensitive garments meaning the textile, so polyester, rayon, even spandex, anything that could potentially scorch, this is going to really help disperse that heat evenly. Also, it's great to help protect those merchandising elements that could potentially melt or be fragile underneath the press. So think of buttons that could melt, a zipper that could also melt, or you don't want to get too hot. All of those things go great under this. All you have to do is increase your dwell time, and this is just a cover sheet. That's it. So you could actually use this and one of the pillows or the pad in conjunction with each other to really execute the application for that special and hard to decorate backpack. But guess what? Because you're a heat printing decorator, you can get it done. So no matter you are wanting to increase in youth garments, or maybe you're trying to add more accessories to your lineup, maybe you want to deal with more difficult to decorate items because it's harder for screen printers and embroidery equipment to decorate around. No matter what it is, these are 4 excellent accessories and extremely affordable that you could add into your business today and immediately recoup that cost simply by the profit of your next job. I'm Kelly Walters. Thanks so much for tuning in, and we hope that this helped you earn more sales and increase your profit in your overall business.